What's good, everybody? My name is Jay Fatty. Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to talk about this really dope effect called Wave Candy that lets you see all the different keys inside a sample. Now, I want to say shout out the homie J Prophet Music. I'm going to link him down in the description. I'm going to link his Instagram. Go show him some love. He was the one that told me about this effect. Now, we got this melody here from Cymatics. Cymatics does tell you what key it's in, but let's imagine that we don't actually know what key this is in, okay? We're going to load that sample up into a mixer track. We'll just put it on mixer track 4, and then we're going to go to the mixer. Now, you're going to see Wave Candy over here underneath visual. If you don't see it, hit categories. If you still don't see it, you should be able to find it in more plugins. It's a default FL Studio plugin. Now, when we hit it, it's going to pull up this little thing here. We can drag this out, make this bigger. We also want to go over here and mess with the scale size. Bring that all the way up. And then mess with this dB range and bring it down. I'm going to show you what this dB range is exactly doing here in a second. Now, if you want, you can also bring the max res up to the highest. Now, this is CPU intensive, so be careful with this, but the higher this is, the more you're going to be able to see. And we want to make sure we're on the spectrum mode right here as well. Now, when we hit play, as you can see, we can hit this freeze button to stop it. It mapped out all of the different notes that are being hit in here. You can see the notes that are more active are the ones that are the brighter colors. So this can help you map out a bass line, put a top line or a counter melody. Now, the reason why we wanted to mess with that dB range is if we let this go and start messing with the dB range, you'll see it get a lot harder to read. So yeah, that's why you kind of want to have that dB range down so you can actually see what's going on. But I hope you see the importance of this. If you need to find the key, you'll be able to find the key. You'll also be able to find the bass line and all that. Now, let's bring it back in here. Now, if we hit the freeze button to freeze it once again, to see what actual note you're on, as you can see, it has a piano roll over here, but if you highlight over the note, down here at the bottom right, it will show you what key it's in. See, this one says it's a F2. It'll show you what key it is. This one right here says it's a F3. This one over here, that's an A. This right here is a G. So you can really map this out. Don't be sleeping on Wave Candy. This is the sauce, all right? Once again, shout out the homie J Prophet Music for helping us figure this one out. Check him out with the link in the description once again. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Please use this. Please use it to, get your bass lines right, get some dope top lines on there, and just to learn what your sample's in. This is a dope default plugin that FL Studio has given us. So shout out ImageLine as well. But yeah, that's pretty much it. If this video brought you value, please leave a like, hit subscribe, and hit that little bell. Much love, y'all. Peace.